This tutorial is on how to download task information as a spreadsheet. So when you do this, it will download as a Microsoft Excel sheet, but you need to go forward and upload it onto the drive and then open it through Google Sheets. So to do this, go to Project, and depending on what department you manage, you would go to that. I'll go to Office Management as an example. So right here there are 5 icons. Click on this one right here and it shows you the tasks like this. Obviously this is not very helpful. We want to see by task title. This is very inconvenient as well, so just click this and you'll have it like this. So now you can see all the tasks. And then if you click this button right here, it'll download it. And then if you open it, it opens like this. And then take this and then upload it into Google Drive. And then open it as a Google Sheets and then share it with everybody on your team so everyone is up to date with the progress in your department.